Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. It's Nick, and here we have another crazy mod that I'm going to be doing for my car, and it is going to be another step in the right direction towards completing the Adro kit for the A90 Supra. So as you can tell, I already have the carbon fiber Adro fenders and side skirts for the car. That's about all I have right now Adro wise. For the carbon fiber front lip, I just have a regular one off Amazon. Honestly, it's not too bad for the cheapness of it. I wasn't going to spend $900 and buy one off a reselling website that most of them come from. So yeah, so as you can tell, this is the Supra how it sits now. I want to do the full ADRO kit, if not at least most of it, because it is very expensive and I still have the Subaru that I'm trying to get rid of. So yeah, so here we are. I just purchased this. This is a brand new to me but slightly used OEM trunk. Let me get in here. As you can tell, no damage, no nothing. Came with the glass. It is literally an exact one of this, same exact one, but I'm gonna be having the RT2 Adro wing right here. That's gonna be in the next clip. I'm gonna show you guys that. It is already downstairs, straight out the packaging. I'm gonna show you guys that in a minute. But yes, I'm not gonna be drilling into the stock trunk because God forbid I don't like it. I'm gonna just put the stock trunk back on and sell the wing aftermarket. So yeah, but this is it. Came with everything, came super nicely packaged. Yeah, I'm honestly super surprised. I found this on eBay for a steal. eBay Motors, and it had a huge discount price for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so I had to hop on that. Also as well, I'm going to be doing these paint matched white. Obviously you could buy them aftermarket. I think it was something Panda makes them. I got them and they look phenomenal. The paint match is pretty similar. Obviously it's never ever perfect, but it's as close as you're going to get. So I'm going to be doing that all around for that one, this one, and I think it has the two rears, these in the bumper. Yes, it does. It has these as well to make them black. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna cut to this next clip here in a second to show you guys the wing. Catch you guys in a second. All right, y'all. I'm about to try to take this out. I'm gonna time lapse it just so you guys find how funny this is. As you can tell, they package this thing like literally. I've never bought something that's been packaged like this. It came on the crate and everything. Yeah, if you guys want to find it funny, just watch this next few seconds. I'm going to time lapse it, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. All right, guys, I just got the trunk out. Complete pain in the ass. Anyways, but here is the ADRO RT2 wing with the small stands. I ordered the high stands, which are coming tonight, so obviously they're not going to be seen right now, but when they're on the car, those are going to be the high stands, and I'll go over those once those are on the car. So yes, this is the full carbon fiber Adro wing with the stands. Obviously it gives the Porsche-esque style. Flipping it over, it obviously is still carbon, and it comes with the winglets. Yeah, so this is it now. Obviously it's not put together and it's not on the car, but you will see that shortly. And yeah, these are the small winglets. As you could tell, I mean, they're really not big. I kind of wanted the more GT3 style instead of this. This kind of looks like a BMW. I mean, I know the Toyota is a BMW, but these are just not my style and not how I wanted to go with the build. So yeah, so I bought the bigger ones, and they are coming tonight. So I will catch up with you guys in a few minutes. We're going to be going tomorrow and dropping it off to my boy's shop to do the installation. I have work, and it does say professional installation required. So yeah, I'm going to let him do his thing on that. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, so this is the new stuff that just came in. These are the templates for the bigger standing pieces. Just going through them. They got the stickers and the templates to get it put into the trunk. We're going in here, and as you could already see, they're huge. As you can tell, way bigger than the originals. These are the ones that make it look like a GT3 wing. Super excited about those. We also have the paint match reflectors we're going to be putting on. Can't wait. Catch you guys in this next clip here. Alright guys, so I got another voiceover here. This right here is a picture of the rear trunk that I purchased aftermarket, and it is missing a module. Every trunk has 2 modules, so this was a problem with getting everything hooked up to switch trunks. Here's a picture right here of the 2 modules in the trunk. One is needed for the SOS and the other is needed for the AM FM radio. So what I was going to do is take the trunk off and swap them and put the new trunk back on. I'm loading up a picture right here of the trunk off the car. To get the trunk off, you have to cut the wires. Super easy to reconnect, obviously, once you go to put it back on the stock. You just got to mark them and reconnect them once you decide to do that. I'm picking up the car tomorrow, guys. This next clip is going to be me picking it up. Catch you guys in a minute. All right, guys, what's going on? I just picked up the car. It looks absolutely insane. I don't know if you could see it back there, but it is nuts. It's a little bit bigger than I expected, but it looks great, and it just ties the car together so much more than how it was before, because I think it was always lacking something in the back. I'm gonna do the diffuser eventually down the line, but for right now, you can probably see it right back there. It's nuts. I just left the gym now. I'm gonna go home, change real quick, and we will go outside and go, I don't know, somewhere, and I'll get you guys some videos, some B-roll of it. Also, the paint match reflectors came out absolutely insane. I could not be happier. Can't wait to show you guys that. I'll catch you guys in this next clip.
Yeah. City lights flicker where the sinners play preacher. Graffiti scriptures on train cars, the steel messenger. Cobblestone pathways, souls caught in a shuffle. Every breath's a gamble, life's one long scuffle. Sirens kiss the night with their mournful cries. Alleyway choirs sing the truth behind the lies. Broken glass mirrors, the dreams left for dead, where hope's just a story that the old heads fed. Concrete jungle sermons spilling in the veins. Blood rivers flowing through urban chains.
Alright guys, after checking out that B-roll, what do you guys think? I think it is absolutely gorgeous, and I am so happy with the car. I'm not gonna lie, right off the rip, I really thought it was way too big, the winglets, but after seeing it and seeing it and seeing it, I am in love with it. As you can tell, the paint match reflectors have honestly done justice to this front end. Like, I think that the amber is actually, shouldn't even come with the car. I mean, look at this. And look at the back too. You can go around from the back side. Look at those right there. You can see they have the black for the, right above the exhaust for the actual diffuser that comes with the car. And they have obviously the white there and the white up front. As you can tell, this looks absolutely insane from any angle. And I think this is the best wing for the Supra. Yes, it is super pricey and super expensive, but look at this thing. Absolutely insane. It's got the Adro markings, everything. It looks absolutely insane. I keep saying it. I keep saying it because I've never seen a car like look like this with just such a simple, I mean, it really wasn't simple, but modification. I'm gonna pop the trunk right here for you guys and give you guys a little look of what they did on the inside. So what you had to do was, I got a full replacement trunk, as you saw, and it was actually a pain in the ass to do this. So what ended up happening was, let's open this up. As you can see right here, there's the 2 carbon fiber cutouts for the wing to be held in when you're going fast. Obviously, you don't want the wing falling out. So to replace any trunk in a Supra, you have to go up here and you have to take all the plastic off, basically take the whole trunk apart and cut the wires. Yes, you have to cut the wires sounds really, really bad, but obviously if you do it the right way with a professional installation and you know what you're doing, it will not be a problem putting it back together. As you can tell, it's got all the carbon. Yes, I bought it used, as you saw, but look at that, one there, and as you see, absolutely perfect. Look at that. Absolutely insane. I could not be happier. Any way you look at it, the car actually has its own personality. And I mean, it gives Porsche vibes, obviously you can see that, but it goes along so well from any angle. It is amazing. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. We are on the road to 500 subscribers. As you can tell, it's just the winter and I'm already doing some crazy stuff. I cannot wait to show you guys what's next. I got some stuff in the garage cooking up already for next season. I can't wait to go to meets, shows, everything. It's gonna all be posted. I'm gonna have some friends help me out with the camera. And yeah, this season is gonna be amazing, guys. Please subscribe. Thank you all so much. Drop a comment, drop a like. The Instagram is the same as the YouTube. I will catch you guys later and be safe.